Teaching is really a noble profession from all profession, in which person required to have a deep knowledge in their subject matter. And we all know that teachers are the gift of God, which make our career and guide towards success. So, hello everyone, very warm good evening to all of you. So today I am going to discuss about how to become the teacher of senior secondary school. But I will also discuss about how to become the teacher of primary school and middle school and secondary school and senior secondary school. So first of all, I am going to discuss about how to become the teacher of primary school. So if you want to become the teacher of primary school, and when you become the teacher, then you will teach 1 to 5 students. And what kind of qualification you should require to fill up the form? First of all, you will have to complete your intermediate from any stream as like arts and science and commerce. Then you should complete there is a degree that is DPE, that means diploma in elementary school, and there is also another degree that is DLED. So if you complete these all things, then you are able to fill up the form of primary school teacher. And the most important thing is that first of all you will have to qualify TET exam. Do you know what is TET? No? You have no idea? The full form of TET is teacher eligibility test. That's primary school teacher. And after that government will release the vacancy. Then you will have to fill up the form, and you will be taken written exam. And when you pass in the written exam, then you will have to go in interview. That means you will be taken interview. When you pass in these all things, then you become the teacher of primary school. And the salary is 25,500, and day by day it is increased. So is there any doubt how to become the teacher of primary school? If you have, then you can ask the question. No? Okay. So now I have done it. And second, I will discuss about how to become the teacher of middle school. So if you want to become the teacher of middle school, then first of all you will have to complete your graduation with any honors as like English honors, Hindi and many other subjects, physics, chemistry, bio, geography, and you should have the degree of B.Ed, that means Bachelor of Education. Then you are able to fill up the form of middle school for middle school teacher. And the most important thing is that as like primary school teacher, you will have to qualify TET exam, that means teacher eligibility test. And same like that government will release many vacancy, and also many private institute, they also release many vacancy. After that you will have to give written exam, and when you pass in the written exam, then you will be taken interview. And when you pass in these all things, then you become the teacher of middle school. And the salary of middle school teacher is 28,200. Now I am going to discuss about how to become the teacher of secondary school. So first of all, you will have as like middle school, you will have to complete graduation with any stream as like I have already mentioned, as like English honors, Hindi, Sanskrit, geography, bio, and you should have also the degree of B.Ed. Then you are able to fill up the form for secondary school. And in secondary school teacher, there is no need to crack any TET exam. And there is also another test as like CTET. How many of you heard about CTET? You? Yeah. CTET is another test as like it is taken by central government. If a TET exam, if it is taken by the Bihar government, then it is called BTET. And if it will be conducted in the Jharkhand, then it is called JTET. So same like CTET, it is taken by the central level government. So I am discussing about secondary school, how to become the teacher of secondary school. So first of all, you will have to complete your graduation with any stream, and you should have also the degree of B.Ed. Then government will release many vacancy, and then you fill up the form, and after that you will have to involve in the examination, and when you pass in written exam, then you will be taken interview, and when you pass in these all things, then you become the teacher of secondary school. That means Madhyamik Vidyalaya Shikshak. And now I am going to discuss about how to become the teacher of senior secondary school. I want to become the teacher of senior secondary school. That means you can also call it PGT teacher. So actually this exam is taken by JSSC. What is the full form of JSSC? Yes, you are right. So this exam is taken by Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission, and the full form of PGT is Postgraduate Trainee Teacher. And when you become the teacher of senior secondary school, then you will teach the students of class 11 to 12. And the minimum age is 21 and maximum age is 40. And when you cross your 40, then you can't fill up the form. And minimum qualification is PG plus B.Ed. When you complete your post-graduation with your honors paper, as like I completed my post-graduation with English honors. So when you complete your post-graduation with any honors as like Sanskrit, English, Hindi, Geography, Mathematics and Chemistry, then you are able to fill up the form of senior secondary school teacher. And also you should have the degree of B.Ed. But you have no degree of B.Ed. B.Ed means Bachelor of Education. Then you will have to pass your post-graduation with first division, and at least you should have 60%. Then you are able to fill up the form. And certificates are not required. That means there is no need to crack the TET exam and CTET exam. It is only required for primary school teacher and middle school teacher. And I have already mentioned this exam is conducted by JSSC, that means Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission. And when you become the teacher of senior secondary school, then you will be given salary 47,000 to 1,52,000, and day by day it will be increased. And the subjects which are taught by the senior secondary school teachers, that are English, Hindi, Sanskrit, mathematics, geography and chemistry, physics, bio and many other subjects. Now we will discuss about the selection process. So there will be exam of 420 marks, that will be written test, and a question will be asked in MCQ form, and each question carry 3.4 marks, and when we multiply, then the marks will be 425. And in second phase you will have to face interview, in which you will be asked GK questions, and also you will be asked question from science. And in the second phase you will have to face personality test, and when you pass in this, then you will get 4% marks. And when you pass in the personality test, when you give clear and crystal answer, then you will be given 3%. And interviewer will be also asked some question related any matter, and when you give answer right, then you will be given 3%. Interview carry 50 marks, and now I will discuss about bonus marks. So if you have the degree of PhD, then you will get 2% marks, 2%, and if you have BA degree, then you will get 1%, and if you participated in any state level game, then you will get, and you have certificates, then you will get 1% marks. And so when we add these all things, then marks will be 500. And when you complete these all procedure, then you become the teacher of senior secondary school. So these all are how to become the teacher of primary school, middle school, secondary school and senior secondary school. Thank you very much.